What's going on, YouTube? It's Jordan, and today I'll be going through the process of designing a business card on Canva for free. There are plenty of platforms out there like Zazzle where you can buy business card designs and have your information put on them for a good deal. But for something that is a mechanism for generating a sense of professionalism, designing your own business card from scratch can be an enjoyable process and even be a conversation ender while you're networking. Also, with what is going on in the world, you wouldn't need to get physical copies of your design if you don't want to. You can treat your design on Canva as a virtual business card and send your details by downloading the design for free and then sending your business card that way. To get started, you can try searching business card up here, or since it's recommended for me, I will click right here. As you can see, there are different template formats that you can work off, but I'll be using one of the personal business card designs. And you'll want to apply both pages so you have a front and a back to your business card. And now you can add your information up here. And it's also important to have a headline. So for example, if you are an undergraduate business student, you can have that as your headline. And if you want another headline to put your school in, you can add a little body of text and then do it that way. Also, if you want to add a QR code, which allows you to share your business card virtually, you can go to More, QR code, and then you will want to copy your link up here, paste it, and it'll generate a code, and this will be your QR code. I'll put this in the top right corner and shrink it so it doesn't take up that much room. And just in case you don't know exactly what a QR code does, this allows you to scan this code with the camera in your phone. So if you're at a networking event, they'll have something to scan your card and they will get your information. You can also email it to yourself and save it to your smartphone if you have one. The point I'm trying to make here is just make sure you have it on you and save it as a PNG when you download it from Canva, and make sure you save it in more than one place so you can have access to it at all times. So if you're not crazy about your design, you can click in here and you can change any of these patterns. You can change the pink to a red if you desire. I personally like a plain business card with a crisp color, so I'll change this to a white. And if you want a more detailed background, you can click on background here and click through any of these templates. I won't be doing that. And also, if you don't want any of these, you can get rid of them and change it to something you want, like contact me. So if you're done designing, you can also choose to print your business cards through Canva for a pretty good deal. So 50 copies with this finish and premium paper would cost you only $11. And if you did not want premium paper and you wanted standard paper, this would knock it down to $1. This wouldn't matter much unless you're ordering in bulk, where you see here you can get a 35% off discount for 200 copies. And if you wanted to download it to your computer, you can click the three dots up here, click download, and it suggests PDF, but I usually go with PNG for the highest quality image. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful at all, please like and subscribe for more Canva related content, and I will be tackling entrepreneurial topics as well in the near future. So once again, thank you for watching and stay well.